What's your name?
Yeah.
Can you say Gabriel?
Biba.
Gabriel?
Biba.
Whoa.
Biba.
Yeah.
Biba.
Yeah. What about, did you have bubbles in the tub? What do you think? Oh. Can you say Anna? Keep. Can you say Anna?
Nana.
Grace? Oh. Grace? Oh! Gabe, that hurts. Thank you. Can you say Grace?
Yes.
Can you say Mark?
Mark.
Can you say Jill?
Jill.
Claire?
Claire.
Avery? Avery? Hey. Avery? Can you say Avery? Gabe? Is that your foot? Boo-boo? Boo-boo. I kiss it. I kiss it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.